Hello guys, it's Shannon, currently based here in California. For today's mini vlog, come with me sa Asian market. So we went to Ranch 99. It's 25 minutes away from our house. So here at Ranch 99, ang dami mong makikita. May Filipino, Japanese, Chinese, Korean, halos lahat nandito na yung products. This is their produce section. Sobrang fresh ng gulay nila at marami kang makikita dito na usually wala sa mga American grocery stores. Meron din silang seafood section, may fresh at live seafood. As in, may crabs, fish, shrimp, name it, kompleto. Maganda rin yung meat selection nila. Nakabili kami ng pork tongue for lengua. Tapos marami rin silang sliced meat na perfect for hot pot or Korean barbecue if mahilig kayo doon. Ang dami nilang sauces dito. Mostly Chinese brands though. Bumili din kami ng suka kasi naubusan na kami. And then kung mahilig din kayo sa hot pot base, madami din sila. And then dito rin kami bumibili ng meat for Korean barbecue kasi nga, mas mura nga dito. And then ayan, pa-check out na kami. Ayan na yung nanay ko, kinakabahan na siya. But everything is only $75 kasi konti lang yung binili namin kasi nag-grocery na kami last week. So, usually sa mga Asian market na ganito, bibigyan ka nila ng coupon. Depende kung magkano yung nagastos mo na pamili mo. And then, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa hot food nila as a payment. So, we got them some. We also got other plate, pero hindi ko na video. And then, we also went to 85 degrees. We also got their pastries, which is my favorite ones. And then, of course, I got coffee latte. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for